I'll guide you through changing your Netflix plan without getting frustrated by the missing options in the TV or mobile apps. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Before we begin, note that the option to change your plan only works via a web browser, not the app. So to begin, open a web browser on your phone or computer and go to netflix.com/account. Sign into your account and scroll down to the plan details section to see your current subscription tier and billing rate. Tap on Change Plan to open the comparison menu, where you can view the updated pricing and features for each available tier. Choose the plan you want to change to: Standard with ads for $7.99, Standard plan for $17.99, or Premium plan for $24.99. Review the extra member options if you need to share your account, keeping in mind that these slots cost an additional $6.99 for ad-supported access, or $8.99 for ad-free. Tap Continue or Update and then confirm your choice to finalize the switch and trigger your new billing cycle. Note that if you are upgrading, your new features and higher resolution will start immediately with a small prorated charge for the remainder of the month. If you are downgrading, stay on your current plan until your next billing date to ensure you get the full value of the higher tier you've already paid for. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.